green frog. Good job. Good job, green frog. Slowly. Slowly. Yep, good job. What is this? Orange what? Which one is orange? Orange.
No.
Which one?
Window there.
Window. Green means go. Good job. So green frog. So which one is orange?
Yeah. Yeah.
Turn this here. Right. Orange what? What is that? Orange. Can you fix it? Orange. Slowly, honey. Yeah. Fix this one into this one. Orange. What is this?
Carrot.
Carrot. Good job. Orange carrot. Put it right in. Good job. Yep. All done. Okay. What about this one?
Blue.
Blue. Which one is blue? Blue. What is it? Slowly.
Blue.
Blue balloon. Good job.
Pink.
Pink. Which one is pink? Over here. Which one is pink? Which one is pink? Good job. Pink. What? What is this? Pink. What is this?
Pig.
Pig. Good job. Pink. Pig.
Oh.
What is this?
What one? Brown.
Brown. So which one is brown?
Cow.
Cow. Good job. Brown. Cow. Good job.
Brown cow.
Brown cow. Good job. What about this one?
Black.
Black what? Which one is black?
Black brown.
Which one is black? This one? Which one is black? Left two. Which one is black?
Cat.
Good job. Black cat. Can you fix that? Good job. And left purple.
Purple.
Purple. Good job. These two together. Purple plum. Good job, honey.
Oh.
All done. Yeah, good job. Can you do that? Yes. Push it down. Yeah, slowly. Slowly. Good job.